Today we're going to see what it takes to install a new mirror on a JL Wrangler. Stay tuned. Inside the door, you're going to find 3 bolts. With your door removal kit, roof removal kit, and your smallest end fits in there, so you want to back these off. My JK, I had to remove the door panel. I don't know if we have to do it on this. We'll see. I need to reuse our factory bolts. I'll leave that one a little taut. Well, not taut, but it's still in there a bit. So go on the other side there. Do things a little differently. I got it out this far though. Yeah. That's the thing. So after some playing around and finicking, I was able to get that off. For some reason mine didn't want to come off, it was sticking. But of course, it's always something. Anyway, now it's time to hook up our replacement mirror. Hopefully it plugs in better than the other one unplugged. And it sure did. Next, we want to put the new mirror in place. I'm going to make sure you're not pinching any of your wires too. Got one in. Well, there you go. There's the mirror install. I have to say it went pretty good. I have one issue, which is common when you're doing something. My only issue was I had a problem getting the plug unplugged. Mine was already pushed in and seemed like it was stuck. But after some finicking and playing around, I was actually able to get it off. So, there we go. Today, we're going to see what it takes to install a new mirror on a JL Wrangler.